Alright, today guys, we're going to be changing the winch rope on my Quad Boss RP25 winch, and we're going to be changing it to a boat strap because my synthetic rope had gotten very mangled. The first step was,
a few times.
Yeah, you put it in free spool, and then you're going.
I've already spooled it out.
Yeah, so it's on the ground, and then you're going to want to pull it out to where you see that, and you can see the Allen key up there. You have to loosen in order for it to.
Most winches are set up like this.
Yeah. It might not be a 3mm Allen key for your particular winch. But I'll loosen
You need
it.
to loosen that set screw.
Yeah. And then I think the rope should pull out once you've gotten it loosened all the way. Yep. Comes out just like that. Now putting on the boat strap's gonna be a little bit different because it's much wider.
And it's a trick that's
Not something that we came up with, but I
Seen on the internet just for plowing purposes. Much stronger.
install this guy.
Nice and tough boat strap.
way more durable. Hey, you want to grab the
Duct tape.
duct tape there?
That's also another trick that we had
Yeah.
found was
People say to get it started with a little bit of duct tape.
Yep. Waiting for our duct tape to be delivered. Alright.
need something to hold it tight to the drum initially until
The resistance friction
Yep.
is enough to hold it.
Gotta be really careful with trying to get it through the fairlead without getting it stuck.
Let's try to stick it on there and then winch in.
Is it the out button right now? Wait, did you take it off free spool? Alright, hit out. No, never mind, it is in.
In?
In. Are you hitting in?
Yeah.
Oh, then,
Oh, then-
it is out.
Go the other way.
I have it on just a little bit backwards to keep my fairlead from fraying it because it's a little bit bent.
Hold it.
Yep.
right there at the end.
Yep.
Go
Here.
the other way real quick. Yep, a little bit more.
And then we just clip it to keep it
A little
up.
bit more.
And
Yeah, again. Right there's good.
Yep. Alright. This is Four Boys Garage signing out.